Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the device and removing any case so edges are accessible. Once done, fold a clean microfiber cloth and apply a tiny amount of 70% isopropyl to one corner, not the screen directly. You'll wipe in gentle circular motions from center outward to lift oils without pushing liquid into ports. Make sure to keep pressure light. This protects oliphobic coatings while still removing fingerprints and grime, setting you up for the deeper cleaning step. You now tackle edges, speaker grills, and the camera area with intent. Once the surface appears cleaner, dampen a cotton swab slightly and trace seams and ports. The goal is to dislodge debris without pooling liquid. Make diagonal strokes with the microfiber to reduce streaks, spending about 1/2 minute per zone to be thorough. Then, if needed, use low-pressure compressed air to clear ports. Make sure to hold the can upright and keep distance so condensation doesn't form. You finish by giving the screen a final dry pass with a fresh microfiber section, restoring the case, and waiting at least 5 minutes before powering on to ensure evaporation. If streaks persist, repeat dry diagonal wipes and switch cloth faces to avoid redepositing oils. If touch responsiveness seems off afterward, restart the phone and let it sit for 30 minutes so any residual moisture evaporates. If problems continue, contact the manufacturer because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.